Let's understand how to create a professional quotation using the Quotation Maker web app. From the dashboard, click on New Quotation to get started. Add Customer by clicking on Select Customer option. Here you can choose Customer from existing customers list, or you can add new customer. Fill up customer details and don't forget to save it. Selected customer will be displayed on final PDF. Let's select Product. Here you can choose product from existing products list, or you can add new product. Fill up product details and don't forget to save it. Fill up product quantity. You can also edit price and description. Now click on Add to Quotation. This will be added to your quotation. Now let's add another product, same as the first one. Also add the second product quantity. Selected products will be displayed on final PDF. You can add other charges information from here. You can also add other information if needed. Let's add terms and conditions. Here you can choose terms from existing list, or you can add new terms. Add terms as per your need or requirement, then save it. You can select multiple terms or select all terms. Selected terms will be displayed on final PDF. Verify all details on this screen and generate quotation. Your professional-looking quotation is ready. You can download it as a PDF. Thank you for watching.